Yeah, the clicking noise you experience, I suspect is the chain. You can hear it here. I'm going to change the chain and we'll see what happens. Okay, I've put an arcade chain and a new tire on. Let's see if that quieted it down. It's still got an occasional click. It might actually be the bearings in the Jackshaft, as I've had those bearings fail before. I think they might be failing in this one. But still, the arcade chain is a non-O-ring chain. Non-O-ring chains will use less horsepower, so it should be a performance increase. Thank you. Okay, I went ahead and changed the Jackshaft in my Sur Ron. Well, I actually changed the bearings. I did order a whole new Jackshaft, which is in my hand, but I decided to go ahead and just change the bearings and use this as an emergency backup. We're going to go ahead and see what it sounds like now that the bearings have been changed. Very quiet, all the clicking's gone. So if you hear that clicking and your bearings are going bad in your Jackshaft, it's best to change them before they go bad. They can leave you stranded, and it's much easier to get the bearings out of the Jackshaft if they are intact. Once they come apart, it's really hard to get the bearings out. Thank you.